Is your carpet stained, frayed, or just looking to upgrade the interior of your vehicle? Well, by installing a fresh new carpet from 1A Auto, you can make your vehicle look and feel years newer. To get started, we went to our website, 1aauto.com. We did a search for the year, make, and model and our carpet. It gave us some color options and component options for interior. We selected to go with an 8-piece carpet set, and we had it shipped to our shop fast and free. Once we received our carpet from 1aauto.com, we went ahead and opened up the box immediately, and we want to go ahead and lay these out in a warm temperature or a warm room. That way the carpet will relax and lay to its original form. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and do an upgrade on this Jeep. Now, if the vehicle came in without a carpet, we're going to go ahead and install the new carpet that we just received. Now, because our vehicle didn't have carpet in it, we went ahead and we laid out the pieces in the corresponding locations on the floor. Now, if your vehicle has carpet in it, simply what you want to do is go ahead and remove the interior like we're going to do, remove your existing carpet pieces, and match them up to the ones that you received. Now, once you've done that, let's go ahead and start taking apart our interior. Now, before you tackle this job, be sure to disconnect the ground terminal on the battery. Underneath some of these seats are going to be airbag sensors, power seat connectors, and things like that. You're going to need to disconnect before you remove those seats. Now, some other vehicles, you're going to require to pull out some of the trim panels around the perimeter to go ahead and remove the old carpet and install the new one. Once you have that old carpet out, go ahead and run a vacuum around the inside, clean and prep that floor before you install the new carpet. Be sure to test fit all of your panels inside the vehicle. Some of these carpets are going to need some trimming or cutting before final installation. Now, shopping for your carpet on 1aauto.com, be sure to go ahead and scroll through the website there. It's going to give you some color options. In most cases, you can go ahead and just choose that original color that you have, or go ahead and pick out a different color to just change things up. Now that we have the carpet completely installed, it looks and feels 10 times newer. Now at this point here, it only took us a little bit of time to go ahead and install this here, and you can see it's just a world of difference. It's going to make it sound quieter on the inside, give you a more comfortable feel. Now is the perfect time to go ahead and hop into the vehicle. Go ahead and show off your vehicle to all your friends.